condition for concurrency of three lines. What is the condition? So that three given lines will be concurrent. But before that, what's the meaning of the concurrency? If three lines or more than three lines passing through the same point, then those lines are called concurrent lines. All of these lines are called concurrent line because all of these passing through the same point. This minimum three lines are concurrent and maximum there are so many lines. So if three lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, the third line is a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0, then three lines may be concurrent, maybe not, but two lines always concurrent if those two lines are not parallel. So first of all, what we will do, we will find the point of intersection of any two lines out of these three. If that point of intersection also satisfy the third equation, third line, then those three lines are concurrent. Now we will solve any two. So solving, suppose I am taking here the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solving these two equations, what you will get? So we will get here x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 divided by a1b2 minus b1a2, and the y is equal to, so it will be c1a2 minus a1c2 upon a1b2 minus b1a2. This is the point of intersection of two straight line. Suppose I am taking equation number 1 and equation number 2. So point of intersection of line 1 and line 2 is b1c2 minus c1b2 upon a1b2 minus b1a2, comma c1a2 minus a1c2 upon a1b2 minus b1a2. Now this point of intersection will satisfy the third equation. Hence we get a3 into b1c2 minus c1b2 upon a1b2 minus b1a2 plus b3 into c1a2 minus a1c2 upon a1b2 minus b1a2 plus c3 is equal to 0. Now after simplifying, you will get here a3 into b1c2 minus c1b2 plus b3 into c1a2 minus a1c2 plus c3 into a1b2 minus b1a2 is equal to 0. So this equation, if you write it in the form of the determinant, by solving it we can write it like this: a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3. Determinant of this is equal to 0. So this is the required condition of concurrency of three straight lines.